So making the boneless wings, the first thing you want to do is to put the chicken on marination. We need to cut the chicken into cubes, but not that very small. So here we go. One straight line, another straight line, okay, then you can see the size of the cube, not very small, not very big. We repeat the same process with all the chicken. And that's it for the chicken cubes. The second part we want to do is to get the marination. Just a simple combination of sugar and salt. We mix together, we'll put the chicken inside the marination for like 2 hours. While our chicken will be on marination, we need to get all the other ingredients together. So that's it. Just sugar, salt, whisk together. We're just going to put some plastic cover, then we'll put it again inside the chiller. After 2 hours, we'll continue. We just 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We put about half tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garlic, same half teaspoon of black pepper, you get the cornstarch, half tablespoon, then your baking soda, half teaspoon also of the baking soda, just a pinch of salt, also like half teaspoon we do, and that's it for the breading. Now we just need to mix very well, make sure all the ingredients are well combined. So we got our wing sauce from the supermarket. This is the original, you can get from the supermarket, but it's a little bit watering, so we just need to make it creamy and more smoothie with just adding just a little bit combination of unsalted butter and some Worcestershire sauce. So here we go. We drop some unsalted butter, little bit of Worcestershire sauce, then pour in your wing sauce. To start our chicken breading, the first thing we need to do is to whisk some egg. Just 2 eggs is enough because my recipe is not that too much. It's just enough for me alone. So 2 eggs is enough for the breading. So here we go. So we are just cooking the boneless wings just like the way to form the boneless, and it will be ready. It depends on the thickness of your chicken. It depends on how you cut your chicken. So always make sure you check your chicken if it is cooked before you remove. At this point, you see we'll get some nice crispy golden brown. So our chicken is good to remove. We just pour in our wing sauce. And that's it. Then this is our wingies. Just put some quantity. And just slowly toast everything together. Make sure it is well coated. Then we just slowly transferring into the plates. That's it for today. We just put some celery sticks Then this one you can use with either ranch or some blue cheese. That's it. We're good to go. You wanna grab a bite? Let's see how it goes.